Okay, as usual, this is going to be the continuation of what we have done in test 1. Okay, I'll be explaining in first in English and later in Bahasa Melayu. Okay, right. This is test 2, right, or Ujian 2, and that will consist of 15 questions. Right, and so let's start with number 1. In the case of number 1, you have 2 1 over 9. Yeah, 2 1 over 9. 2 1 over 9 minus 2 over 9. Alright, in this problem what you do is, well, the first method, I want to borrow this 1 from 2, and what remains is 1. So that becomes 1 1 over 9 and plus 1. I borrow 1 here, so 1 means 1 9 over 9. Okay? Then minus 2 over 9. Okay, right? Alright, let's go on to the next question. Let's go and check further. Okay, now we have this question solved. We'll be solving this problem by taking 1 plus 9 equal to 10 over 9, and here is 1 minus 2 over 9, and that equals to 10 minus 2 equals to 8 over 9. So you have 1 8 over 9. It's just like 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. Right? This is the first method. So if you haven't done through this method, then you can always pause and copy down. Okay, saya ulang balik dalam bahasa Melayu. Ini 21/9 macam biasa, kita pinjam 1. Jadi tinggallah 1. Dan bawa 1 ni ke sini, 9 1 ni ke sini, 9/9, jadi 1 tambah 9 dapat 10, dan tolak dengan 2/9, jadi 10 tolak 2 8, 8/9. Ini adalah cara yang pertama. Okay, pause and copy down. Okay, if you haven't done the through this method, you can always copy down. What you have done, then you don't have to. But I'm always try to encourage you to solve a problem in as many ways as possible. Alright? Saya memang nak menggalakkan kamu menyelesaikan masalah dengan berbagai-bagai cara. So you have done this method, then you can always forget about it. But if you haven't done, you just copy down this, right? Okay. Ini kita we go to the next one, right? See. Alright, another method as usual, 2 1 over 9. You can change that to this is 2 over 9. You can change everything to improper fraction. So this is 9 times 18 plus 119, 19 over 9 minus 2 over 9. That equals to 19 minus 2 is 17 over 9, and that equals to 1 8 over 9. Alright. I can always copy down this and we'll proceed to the next one. Jadi dalam bahasa Melayu, saya tukar ni kepada pecahan tak wajar. 9/18 tambah 1, 19/9. Balik. Tolak dengan 2/9 dapat 17/9. Okey, salin ni dan kita akan pergi ke menyelesaikan masalah melalui diagram. So if you haven't done through this method, you can always copy this down and we'll work out the solution through a diagram. Okay. Now, this is 2 1/9 minus 2/9. And what we did just now was we changed that to what do you call improper fraction. So 19/2. Or sorry, what we did just now was okay. Now, how would you present this in the form of diagram? So you have two objects, right? Now we present this by objects. 1, 2. 1/9. All right. For convenience, I divide into 9 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 9 parts. So 9 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 1/9. These two parts, two objects here. Okay. And 1/9. So this is 1/9. Now what do you do? Minus 2/9. So 2/9. Okay. For convenience, you divide this into 9 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you cross this 2/9. So what remains here is what? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/9. 8/9. Okay, right? I hope you can draw this diagram as quickly as possible. Pause and copy this down. If you have done, that's good. Jadi saya ulang balik, dalam bentuk raja saya bahagi kepada dua bahagian. Satu lukis dua objek dan 1/9. Jadi tak termasuklah ya. Di dinas. Tapi untuk memudahkan saya buat pengiraan, saya buat juga sampai 9. Tapi sebenarnya yang mewakili 2/9 ni ialah 1, 2 dan ini. Ini saja ya, ini tak termasuk. Itulah yang dikatakan 2/9. Sekarang saya tolak dengan 2/9, 1, 2. Jadi yang tinggal 1, yang ini ialah 8. Terus semua sekali 9. Okay. Alright, pause and copy this down. Alright, we go on to question 2. Right? So question 2. We go on to question 2. Okay. Now, this is a copyright reserved problem. Okay. Nobody is allowed to just download this. Alright, now let's go to number 2. Alright, 3 2/5 minus 4/5. Alright. Let's work this out. That will give you what? If I just borrow this one, that becomes 2. 2/5. Then what? Yes, plus what? What over what? Right, 5/5. So minus 4/5. It's because we cannot subtract 4 from 2, right? That's the reason why you borrow, okay? So you have 2 plus 7, 2 plus 5 equals to, this is not plus, this is error, that's right. So 2 7/5, okay? 2 7/5 and minus 4/5, okay? That becomes 7 minus 3/5 or you can work out this way. 7 minus 4 is 3 over 5, so 2, 3 over 5. That is the first method. Okay. Alright, we go on to the next method. Okay, ini cara yang pertama ialah dengan kita ambil pinjam 1, jadilah 2 sini, 2 per 5 macam biasa, tambah 1 sini kepada 2 per 5. 1 maksudnya 5 per 5, jadi kita dapat 2 7 per 5 tolak dengan 4 per 5. 7 tolak 4 dapat 3 per 5. Ok, pause dan copy down. Sekiranya kamu tidak buat cara ini. Okay, the next method is by changing this to improper fraction. So that will give you 5 times 3, 15, 15 plus 2, 17. So that is 17 over 5 minus 4 over 5. That is 13, 17 minus 4 is 13 over 5. That gives you what? 2, 3 over 5. Okay. Alright. So that is the second method. Alright. Inilah cara yang kedua di mana kita tukar dia kepada petahan tak wajar. Di 4 per 5. 2, 5 ke 3, 15 tambah 2, 17 per 5. Tolak dengan 4 per 5. Dan kita dapat jawapan 17 tolak 4 dapat 13 per 5, jadi 23 per 5. Okay, next question. Pause and copy this down, right? There's another method, right? Just find a number of a divisible by 5. So that is 5. 5 now. You see, you can't minus 2 and 4. In fact, when you take 5 divided by 5, you get 1, 1 times 2. 5 divided by 5, you get 1, 1 times 4 is 4. So 2 can't take 2 minus 4, so therefore you can always borrow 1 here. That becomes, you can do it mentally, right? You borrow this 1, this is going to be 2, and now this becomes 2 over 5 plus 5 over 5. You can do it mentally, right? So that is 7 over 5. So that is here you can put 7 here. Okay. So instead of 2 over 5, you can change that to 7 over 5. You know why? Because 3 is 2 over 5 is the same thing as 2 over 5 plus 5 over 5, so that will be 2 plus 5, 7 over 5. Or you can think this way, this is going to be, instead of 2 here, alright, doesn't matter, that's okay. So that will be 7 minus 4 equals to 3 over 5. Okay, 3 over 5. And we have 2 here. So there you can bring 2 along here. That becomes 2, 3 over 5. Okay. Okay, so ulang balik. Ini kita punya 1, ini jadi 7 per 5 lah. Sebab 2 per 5 tambah 5 per 5 jadi 7 per 5. 5 bagi 5 dapat 1 kali 7. Tolak 5 bagi 5 1, 1 kali 4 4. Kalau kita bagi bawah, ini kali di atas. Ini pun juga bagi dengan bawah dapat 1 kali dengan atas 4. Ini 7 kali 4, 3 per 5, bawa 2 ke sini, jadi 2, 3 per 5. Okay, pause and copy this down. Let's work out through a diagram. Alright, now okay, 3 2 over 5 minus 4 over 5. Okay, so you have 3 objects. 1 2 3 objects, and you divide that into 5 parts. Okay, 1 3 5 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 parts, 4 equal parts. Okay, now there is to show you this 1 2 3 2 over 5. This is 2 over 5, right? The whole shaded part is 3. That represents 3 2 over 5. Okay, minus 4 over 5. So you just cross 2 parts. 1 2. Here you can always divide into 5 parts just to be for convenience in calculation. So it is 4 over 5. So that becomes what? 1 2 2. Remains 1 2 3 3 over 5. Okay. This is how you got the solution through diagram. Okay, saya dalam bahasa Melayunya kita ada 3 bahagian, 1 2 3. Tadi ni kita ada 25 sampai sini ya. Tapi bila tolak 45, 1 2 3 4. Jadi tinggal 1 2 2 per 3 per 1 2 3 3 per 5. Right, copy down this, copy this down and pause, right? Pause and copy this down.